Imagine if every child could express their feelings, even before they have the words. That's the magic of social emotional learning, or SEL, in early childhood. It's not just about ABCs and 123s, learning. Positive behavior, building strong, healthy relationships. Research tells me that the skills children build between ages 0 and 5 shape their lives forever. Confidence, resilience, empathy. They're the building blocks for kids to thrive, in school, out in the world. Now, here's where it gets even more powerful: sign language. You might think sign language is just for kids who are deaf or hard of hearing, but honestly, it's a game changer for all children. Verbal, nonverbal, somewhere in between. Sign language bridges the communication gap. It gives every child a way to be heard, to share their needs, to connect. When I pair sign language with social emotional learning, something amazing happens. Frustration goes down, confidence goes up. Every child feels included. Kids learn to express "I'm sad," "I need help," "I love you," sometimes before they can even say the words out loud. So if you want to help children become confident, resilient, and ready for anything, start early. Make SEL and sign language part of your everyday routine. Because when kids feel understood, they're unstoppable.